Picture this. You're on your phone, sipping coffee, and notifications start pinging. But this time, it's not social media updates. It's income. Real money earned right from your pocket. Sound impossible? It's not. Welcome back to the CashWave Strategy Vault. This is video 12, and you're about to learn how Craig and countless CashWave subscribers started earning affiliate income with just their phones. Toolkit 6 is here to guide you every step of the way. Stay tuned for Craig's exact mobile blueprint.
This is for those who believe they can't start. No fancy equipment, no tech expertise, just you, your phone, and this guide. By the end of this video, you'll see how accessible affiliate income really is. Craig's mobile-first affiliate system revolves around 3 core programs. These are designed to get beginners earning quickly without overwhelm. 1. WriteAppReviews. This is where Craig earned his very first affiliate commission. WriteAppReviews pays you to share honest feedback on apps. There's no complicated tech or steep learning curve. If you've downloaded and rated an app before, you can do this. Craig's first income notification? $11.68 while sitting in traffic, reviewing an app. Simple, actionable, real. 2. Live Chat Jobs. The next program is Live Chat Jobs. It's perfect for evenings or weekends, fitting into any schedule. This program pays you to respond to live chat queries. If you know how to text, you can do this consistent income flexibly. Craig used this to build cash flow in his downtime. Whether you're a parent, a 9-to-5 worker, or a student, this program integrates seamlessly. 3. Fiverr, freelance, and gradual scaling. Fiverr is where Craig transitioned to his next stage of affiliate growth. At first, he outsourced tasks like thumbnails and voiceovers for his videos. Eventually, he realized he could sell services himself, directly from his phone. This step is optional but powerful. Side hustles can evolve into consistent income streams. Fiverr helps bridge that gap for many in the CashWave community. Some of you may want to test additional fast-track programs. These are perfect for beginners trying to find what clicks for them. Instant Doodle. Turn simple doodles or app videos into short-form content for TikTok or YouTube Shorts. Get paid to use FBXYT. Earn quick affiliate credits completing simple tasks on big-name platforms. Paid online writing jobs. Beginner-friendly blog writing gigs with growth potential into Fiverr services. While programs generate income, mobile tools amplify your results. Here are the tools Craig uses to save time and maximize outcomes. CapCut. CapCut lets you edit professional videos directly on your phone. Perfect for creating TikTok or YouTube Shorts, especially for programs like Instant Doodle. Canva Mobile. From thumbnails to Instagram flyers, Canva makes professional design accessible to everyone. TubeMagic Mobile. TubeMagic scripts snappy YouTube video outlines fast, automating the hardest part of video creation. Repurpose.io. Wow. Finally, Repurpose.io is Craig's content multiplier. Videos filmed once on your phone automatically post to multiple platforms. These tools don't replace work. They speed up your success. You can start small and grow as you go.
Here's the truth. I didn't have much when I started. No laptop, no fancy equipment, just my phone. But here's what I did have. Determination to start. My first win? WriteAppReviews. I made $11.68 sitting in traffic, rating an app. That small win? It changed everything. Next came live chat jobs. I'd answer messages during lunch breaks. It was simple, steady income. Slowly, I started adding more programs. Fiverr was a game changer. I outsourced small tasks and gradually became a service provider myself. From there, everything expanded. You don't need a lot to get started, just your phone. The biggest hurdle? Starting. If I can do this, so can you.
Craig isn't the only one turning a phone into income. Here's what our subscribers have shared. Jenny L. from Dallas, Texas said, I started live chat jobs during my commute breaks. It felt like texting, but it paid. That was all I needed to believe this was real. Mike D. from Oakland, California used WriteAppReviews and CapCut. I started posting app reviews on TikTok. People loved it. I earned and started a Fiverr gig. Tasha V. from Miami, Florida said, Instant Doodle was so easy. I made a 45-second clip, posted it, and got 2 leads the next day. I was hooked. Ryan P. from Kansas City, Missouri wrote, I started with mobile jobs. Then I moved to Craig's faceless YouTube system. Now I'm all in, a full-fledged CashWave affiliate, no turning back. Which mobile program are you starting with? Comment below. We read everyone.
Toolkit 6 is always free. It includes Craig's mobile workflow, app review checklist, and Fiverr starter guide. The programs in the description unlock bonuses or training when you use our affiliate links. Some offers are time-sensitive. Grab your starter stack while it's live. Next, in video 13, we break down tools that boost your earnings. See exactly how Craig and his community scale without stress using CapCut, Canva, and more. Don't miss it.